Good evening, good evening, good evening. Let me know if I'm audible and visible to all of you in the chat box right away, right now. Yes, looks like I am audible and visible. Yes, welcome aboard. I know have not been around for quite some time, but whenever needed, I've come here and given you all the important guides, tips, tricks, guidelines, strategies. And just when the JEE Mains April attempt is about to begin tomorrow, I feel this is a must talk with all of you, one-on-one connect with your Captain Shreyas. A lot of you, especially the students who are going to write the first shift on 2nd April, are quite tense. Even the second shift students are tense. But I feel that every student, even if you have your exam day after tomorrow or even later on in the ending shifts, this video I feel is going to help you out. And tired of searching for me, I'm not going anywhere and I'm here only. Don't worry, guys. And I'll tell you also, why I was not able to take classes later on, not in this video, in some other video. Just give me some time, okay? I will tell you everything. Don't worry. Anyways, coming back, let me tell you what and all things you should have in your rule book or playbook before attempting the examination. What is your thought process? Because I'll tell you, first attempt, fine. It was very tiring. It was very, I would say, it was a big burden on your head. It was like a lot of variables which were running in your mind. What if that, etc. Now you have a baseline. That means where you are. If you study this much, if you know this much, approximately where will you stand? You have a fair idea on how things work. Now, this second attempt is a game of improvement. It's a game of confidence. It's a game of not just the knowledge, but also your last minute strategy. And I'm telling you, see, even when I wrote my examination, I felt that in my mock tests, I was getting this much score, I will get that much score, maybe plus minus 10, 15. But sometimes some teachers come and they motivate you. They tell you certain things that your marks increase by 20 marks, 30 marks also, even on the last day. So believe in yourself, believe in your teacher, believe in the last minute effort. Don't give up even on the last day. Because I have seen miracles, even with myself, that when you lose all the hope, when you feel that, okay, this is my final thing, something comes up which can actually push you beyond your expectation, beyond your imagination. Yeah. So I am expecting, and this is my prediction, and I feel this will come true. You will come and tell me even after the examination. Physics will be moderate to easy, not the difficult one. But why am I putting moderate? Because we know there will be conceptual questions, formula intense questions, mixed concept questions, multiple formulas in the same question. But not all questions will be like that. There will be easy questions which you will have to find. It will not be serially arranged. Chemistry, of course, NCERT heavy, fair distribution. And yes, if you do inorganic and organic properly, you can score marks quickly, because physical, chemistry are numerical, calculation based questions. There you can take some time. And if you do not know the logical flow of calculation, how all these molarity, etc., works, KSP, everything, then you will be stuck. But organic, inorganic can save your day if you know the named reactions, if you know the periodic trends, etc. Maths is the time killer. Some questions will be difficult, but I don't think all the questions will be difficult, just like in the first attempt. And you need to prioritize by choosing those questions which you can do. Do not take it on ego. Okay. So that is what the expectation is. And I feel a safe bet for your 99 percentile will be above 180 marks, and above 95 percentile will be 130 marks. I'm telling you, see, even if you are targeting 95 percentile for all the students who are losing hope, etc. So 130 marks is around 40 marks to 45 marks per subject, which means you have to solve around 10 to 12 questions correctly. And 10 to 12 questions out of 25 questions is not that difficult a task on an average. If you have studied decently well, if you have given enough mock tests or decent number of mock tests also, 95 percentile is doable, is achievable. Agree or disagree? It's all about choosing those right questions. It's just like, imagine guys, I'll give you an example. There are 25 buckets. Listen to me carefully. Listen to your Captain Shreyas. 25 buckets. One bucket is empty. One bucket has little bit water. One bucket has little more water. One bucket is full heavy with water. And there are 5, 6 buckets full of water. And some buckets which are having no water. Some buckets with very little water. And if I ask you, just you have to get me some 12 buckets from there to here. You have to just get 10 buckets or 12 buckets from one place, maybe some to other place, 200 meters, 300 meters away. What will your common sense say? Shreyas sir did not ask for water. Shreyas sir asked for buckets. So what will the smart one do? You will just choose the empty buckets and come. You will not be like, no, I am going to show Shreyas sir, I am strong, I am capable. I will lift heavy water buckets and then I am going to come running. No, the competition was to get those buckets as quickly as possible, not the water. Same way, the bucket is question, the water is difficulty. So, just because the question is more difficult does not mean you will get more marks. So, use your brain, don't take it on ego. Just select those buckets, meaning those questions which are easy, that means which has little less water. Agree? Yes or no? How many of you loved this example? Relate this and apply this in your exam from tomorrow onwards. Smash the like button if you have not yet liked the video yet. Please do not revise anything today. Do not do, especially for tomorrow students after this night, you're to sleep. For students who are going to appear for the exam day after tomorrow, yes, you can still revise till evening, but after that, no more studies. Revision should stop after night. Okay, no choosing new topics. Last minute, some teacher is telling, I am going to teach you till morning 5 o'clock, all the formulas, I'm going to revise everything. Guys, what a waste of time. Please don't do such things. It is not at all useful. You have to sleep. Okay? Sleep is essential. And last minute, trust me, you feel like you're watching and you're learning, but actually it doesn't help. Whatever you know, apply that. Go confidently. Set your benchmark right. See, if you've studied for 95 percentile, target 97 percentile. Don't unrealistically target, no sir, I will target 100 percentile. No sir, I will finish all the questions. See, be reasonable. Yes, you know you're capable of 90, target 96, 97. That is something what you should do, and maybe a few questions extra you can solve. Agree? Yes? Okay. All right. Perfect. Awesome. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Awesome. So, because the paper strategy has to change because the difficulty levels have changed. So, what you need to do is number one, guys, remember that please select all the easy questions from all the subjects. No longer can you just go with chemistry. Yes, usually it should work. But what happens is chemistry paper was also slightly good, difficult, moderate, and physics paper was also moderate. Maths was not so difficult. So you have a fair chance of doing all the subjects together at once in round one in small amount of time, gather more marks, and just get done with at least the cutoff percentile like 93 or 94 percentile, meaning around 100 to 120 marks possible in the easy round. Then go to round two, go to some decent questions which can be solvable, maybe little lengthy but solvable, or maybe small concept is there you are not able to think, something you remember. All right, so all those things in round two. Very difficult ones or what you are going to guess, tukka, etc. at the end, but don't use too many tukkas. Maybe 3 or 4 questions totally, and that too when you have narrowed down to 2 options, not even 3 options, 2 options only. Make sense? Okay? Very good. Very good. Yeah, just do that. Awesome. Awesome. Next important thing, guys, which you should not do during the exam. Never, remember these rules. Do not get stuck on a question more than 1.5 minutes. If a question is taking more than 1.5 minutes, if you feel that it will take more than 1.5 minutes, leave that question in the first 10 seconds only. Don't waste 1.5 minutes. Oh, it is not solvable. Next question. Oh, it's not solvable. After every 1.5 minutes, then you will be wasting so much of time. Decide it early. But let's say for some reason you got stuck. Do not get stuck for more than 1.5 minutes. If it is not solvable, not solvable. Do not take it on ego. Don't take it personally. Okay, so don't ego solve even maths or physics or chemistry also. All right, chemistry, so you can't ego solve because you know it or you don't know it. Don't change answers repeatedly. This happens. I feel this is the answer. No, 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 no. Oh, this is the answer. No, that is the answer. No, this. Don't do that. Usually, what happens? Whatever you remember first, usually is the correct answer. So don't keep doing that because that option is there. It's a computer-based exam. Don't do that. And yes, don't panic if the first few questions feel tough, which is very likely because the paper will be jumbled up for everyone. The order of questions will be different. So keep this in mind that your first 5 questions could be easy if you're lucky, or it could be tough. Just because the first few questions are tough, do not get a panic attack. Remember, the easy ones are later on. It's just that your bad luck, you got the first few questions as tough. Skip, 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 skip. You should not waste too much of time early, right? Go to the easy one, get confidence, come back later on in round 2 or round 3. Making sense, guys? Yes, perfect. Awesome. So, my dear warriors, select the right questions. That's your mantra. Execute it with accuracy because you cannot afford negative marking. Keep this in mind. Do see what happens is in the exam you're like, no, I have to score maximum marks. Let me. It's okay. What will happen? Few negative markings only. No, no. This is the worst thought which can ruin your total score because you feel that at least few questions will be right, but it will nullify it. It will be a waste of time. Plus, it might even become your disadvantage. You might get more negative also. So don't, out of frustration, just for the sake of it, mark things because you feel that is the answer. Please don't do that. Be accurate whatever you are doing. And remember, your rank finally will decide whether you are going to get your seat in your dream college or not. So focus on your marks. Marks will give you the rank. Percentiles is just secondary. Focus on your marks. Marks will give you a rank. Rank will give you a seat. Keep this in mind. Okay. So be calm, stay cool. Very, very all the best. Anything that you still want to ask me, please let me know in the comment section. And all the best, guys. Yes, all the best, Mohana, Vidun. Yes, Ashwin. Yes, Aulantanya. Yes, Side Siddiqui. Yes, all the best, Rekna. Yes, Mithu, all the best, all the best, all the best, my dear warriors. I love you all. And yes, I've not been taking classes, and I will let you know very soon. Yeah, it's anyways like my videos, lectures are still there on the channel, even from the last year and even before that, and even before that. So all my videos are there. Even if you have been watching those videos as mock tests, etc., you have done a lot. All right. So thank you so much. All the best. Good night and see you very soon. Okay. God bless you all. Thank you for liking the video.